Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having an awesome day or evening, whether you're seeing this in the PM or the AM before the market opens, hopefully. Okay, so you guys can start making some money moves before the market even opens. And today, guys, for my portfolio, it has been a little stagnant. It hasn't gone up, it hasn't gone down. It's just been there in the middle. Okay, but yesterday was actually looked like a rocket, right? It was just going up, 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 and up. And there was a lot of gains yesterday. We recuperated a lot of the gains that we had lost due to the correction, which is totally fine because we were able to buy in more shares and profit out of it. Today, we're going to be talking about some of the hot stocks while the market is still trying to recover. Okay. And remember, there's a lot of good things happening around the world right now. For example, we have the stimulus check that just passed, okay, from the House and the Senate. So it's officially closed. It's officially done deal. We also have, with that, it also comes the vaccines, okay? We're going to start getting vaccines a lot sooner. And though we're not going to get into politics in this channel, but just so you know what's going around the world. And this is all good for the stock market. This is all good for the market, okay? And my number one advice right now, okay? I want you to go and see your portfolio, whether you're on Robinhood or you're on Webull. Go see your portfolio, see what stocks you're down on, what stocks you're still down on, okay? Just to mention a few of them from my personal portfolio. Remember, I'm going to be speaking about my portfolio, the stocks that I'm investing in. You can invest with me so that we can all make money along the way, okay? And I'm going to be as transparent as possible with you guys, okay? So some of the stocks that I'm down on is BNGO, okay? Square, Palantir, Fuel Cell, FRX, okay? Those are some of the stocks that I'm down on. There's stocks that I'm up on, okay? Tesla, Chris, Dropbox, okay? Those are some of the stocks that I'm up on. And like I said, we had a rebound yesterday, so that was very good, at least for my portfolio, okay? And I hope you guys are also gaining back some of the gains that you guys have lost, okay? So that's my number one advice. Go look at your portfolio, buy the dip, guys, buy the companies or the stocks that you guys are currently down on, okay? Make sure you guys are buying them, because once they go up, okay, once you're on the positive, you're gonna want to wish you bought them when they were lower. And that's probably not going to happen anymore, okay? Because we're on our way up. We're on our way to probably the next correction within the next couple months, okay? September, around that area, okay? Keep in mind, make sure you guys are locking in your wins, your gains. So let's get started with the first stock that I want to put in your radar is NNDM, ticker symbol NNDM. Okay, it's currently sitting at $9.44 in the after hours. This, guys, is a buy if it's under $10, okay? I strongly believe that this has the potential to go up very soon. It's going to bounce back, okay? Before this correction, it was actually at about $15. As a matter of fact, I have it here, $16.72, okay? Around that price range. So go ahead and make sure you guys are loading up the boat on NNDM, because this will be going up soon, okay? And just FYI, the companies that I mentioned in this channels, okay, I've already done my research prior to making this video, okay? It does take a lot of work, at least for me, since I'm very new to everything, okay? It takes extra work, at least for me, just to make sure that the stocks that I'm giving you are actual, reputable, very good companies that have the potential to go up, because I want everyone in this channel that is looking and taking my advice to make sure that I put you guys in the right direction to make money, okay? Because that's what we're in for in the stock market, to make money, okay? So keep that in mind. The next one that I want to put on your radar is Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin, guys, is huge. It's currently sitting right now at $55,782, okay? And if you guys saw one of my past videos in regards to Bitcoin, right, what I have been doing, I have been buying at the low, selling at peak high, and then it drops down. I buy again at the low, sell at peak high. Again, it's not the same day. It probably takes about a week, couple days, so that it goes all the way up to its all-time high, and then I sell out. Okay, but this time around, I'm actually gonna hold. Okay, I'm gonna hold because I think with this new stimulus check that has just been approved, it's gonna pass 60 grand. Okay, it's gonna pass $60,000. Now, Bitcoin. Okay, just a quick advice. And you do your own due diligence. Make sure that you guys are watching Bitcoin. Okay, with all this money printing, okay, the value of Bitcoin will start going up. This is why I think it's gonna easily pass $60,000. Okay, so you guys want to start buying into it. If you guys can't buy a Bitcoin, a full coin, just buy whatever you guys can. Okay, start investing into Bitcoin so that you guys can like little gains, doesn't matter. Okay, but just buy into Bitcoin, guys. Buy into Bitcoin. That's what I've been doing every week. I put about $50 to $80 into Bitcoin. Okay, I started off, I'll tell you guys right now, my average cost for Bitcoin is around $48,000. Okay, so I've been buying into Bitcoin at 48,000. Okay, it dropped a little last week. I bought more. Right now it went all the way up to 55,000. Okay, I don't have a full coin myself, but I'm nibbling into Bitcoin every week. I'm just feeding the beast, guys. Feed the beast with Bitcoin. Okay, at the long run, your returns are going to be huge. Okay, and I wouldn't be surprised if this by the end of the year goes up to about $80,000-$90,000. Okay, so you guys want to make sure you guys are loading up the boat before it even runs up. Okay, last stimulus check, I believe that Bitcoin was around $15,000, $20,000. I made a huge mistake not buying into it because I just thought it was way too high. There's no way, right? It's gonna run up more. Look at where it's at the next stimulus check, $55,000. Right? So make sure that you guys are just buying into Bitcoin. Buy some few dollars into it so you guys can ride the wave up. The next stock that I'm going to be talking about, I want you guys to pay close attention to this particular company here because this has a huge potential to 3 times, 4 times your money. Okay, and we're talking about Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Okay, right now it's currently sitting at $24.77, guys. Anything under $25 is an absolute buy. Okay, so make sure you guys are loading up the boat on Palantir because this has the potential to run up, and I'm gonna tell you guys today in this video why. Okay, I want you guys to keep in mind one thing. They're coming out with a huge event April 14th. Okay, the last huge event they had was in January 26th. So I want you guys to go pull up Palantir, the chart for Palantir. Okay, and look at January 26th, what happened when they had their big event. It ran up. As a matter of fact, I have it here. I'm personally looking at it, so I want you to go and look at it. Okay, it ran up the January 25, right? Before it even had its big event, it was already running up, and it hit all-time high to $45. Okay, let me see where it was at. It was at $24, and within a couple days, okay, prior to that event, it ran up all the way to $45. So I'm expecting this to do exactly or mimic exactly the same thing, guys, for April 14th, which is their next big event. Okay, and remember, we are trying to buy these stocks as low as possible so that we make money, guys. So if you guys can get Palantir within the next couple of days, if it drops, let's just say $23, I like it at 23. Okay, but anything under 25, just make sure you guys are buying some shares. Okay, and again, I'm gonna give you guys just a quick article so that you guys can see the potential of Palantir. First article I want you guys to see is who is Palantir's customers? Okay, who are they marketing to? Who are their customers? Because at the end of the day, that's what matters, their revenue, all of that stuff. Okay, so this article here, right? Who exactly are Palantir's customers? The U.S. government happens to be a big customer. The U.S. government, guys. Okay, this is huge. It also says, in fact, more than half the company's revenue was derived from various government agencies this past quarter. Okay, so again, the U.S. government is a big customers of theirs. Now, next article. Okay, want you guys to see this. Remember, we want to do what the big dogs are doing. In this case, Cathie Woods. Okay, I'm a big fan of Cathie Woods. I love the way she thinks because she strongly believes in buying the dip, while everyone is probably trying to panic sell or trying to make money on the way down. That's fine, right? Good for everyone. But just how she believes in buying the dip, I believe also in buying the dip when the market is down. Okay, so we're going to be talking about Cathie Woods all the time in this channel. I'm sure you guys already noticed in the past couple of videos I mentioned Cathie Woods. Okay, so Cathie Woods for Palantir, she has been buying on the dip crazy amount of shares. Okay, because she believes in Palantir. So now, just want you guys to look at the quick summary of this article that I'm going to be showing you guys. Okay, who else is potential, or actually who else is their customers? Okay, Palantir, and this came out March 9th, okay, just yesterday. Palantir announced a partnership with Amazon. So that's huge, okay? Amazon being the recent partner, the recent customer, and the U.S. government being one of their largest customers is huge, guys. This is a massive explosion. We're sitting on a mine, guys, that's about to explode anytime soon. At least that's what I think. And I hope that you guys are also thinking the same thing. If you guys already have some of these shares, good for you. Make sure that you guys are buying more right now that it has taken a dip. Okay. And remember, actually this article here mentions that ARK Invest, okay, has also acquired over 10 million shares, guys. 10 million shares of Palantir in the last several weeks. Okay. And again, that's Cathie Woods ETF. Okay, so she strongly believes in Palantir, and if she's loading up the boat, you and I should be doing the same exact thing. Okay, now for me, Palantir is a long run. Okay, I believe this stock, if you want to have this, you want to make sure you have this in your portfolio, because this is easily 3-4x your money, guys. Within the next couple of years. So this is going to look very good in your portfolio. You're going to thank me down the line, guys. I hope this information was helpful. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts in regards to the companies that we spoke about. Also, if there's any stock that you guys want me to talk about, I will do a quick summary of it. I will let you know my thoughts, if it's a pass or a buy, and we can go from there, guys. Okay, feel free to do that. And with that being said, I hope to see you all in the next video.